simple way to make this, to knead the atta. So I have taken this much, like 1 big cup of Ashirwad multigrain or normal you can use. Okay, so you can use any one. This is Ashirwad multigrain. And then I'll put salt and water to knead this. So just mix this all and slowly add water to this. So welcome to this cooking channel, Wells quick tips and trick. सगळ्यांक तुमकां येवकार दिता कुकिंग चॅनलाचेर आनी मानता की तुमी सगळीं बरी आसतली. होप यू आर ऑल डुईंग वेल and hope you all are enjoying these 2 languages which I narrate from here, I speak from here, I talk from here. So make a soft dough. हे सगळे बरे भाशेन मळून घेयात. हांकां सगळ्यांक बरे भाशेन एकठांय करून एक बरोसो गोला करात. So this is the base for our chapati, roti, puri. This is the main. And this is whole wheat multigrain atta. If you need like this only dough for maida, then you will get none. But it is of maida. So this is done. Now we will add little bit of ghee or oil, anything. So I will use ghee. Any ghee, or you can use any lard or any oil. And I will keep this for resting for 5 minutes, and then we can do whatever we want to do on this. Okay, so we'll cover this and keep. Thank you. Dev bare karo.